Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and yesterday I showed you a way to make wiggly keychains in Tinkercad. Friends, today I got a short update, so let's get cracking. Alright everybody, first things first, if you're making a second keychain, I recommend that you do duplicate. That way you don't ever wreck the first keychain you have all your parts available, and so on and so forth. So you can see in this project, I already had Mike, and I made a new one called Love. I am going to delete all of this at this point. I've got other copies of it. I've got my spare parts here just in case I need them. And now I can keep making new words and I can reuse the letters later. My goal eventually would be to have all the letters built so I can just assemble the keychains and put them together. So friends, here's how I did the word love and a couple updates I found out. First, friends, if you click on my L, you'll notice it's not grouped. That is because I had to adjust it because the L did not have a spot for this whole piece to connect. This is one of the cool things about this lesson is you'll have to problem solve for the different shapes of the letters. You can see the V was fancy as well. But all I did was take this part right here, and I'm going to hide the L for a second so you can see this. And I just made the egg piece longer. I ungrouped it. Remember back in the day it was 7, I stretched it to 10, I kept the angle. I'm going to hide these pieces real quickly, and I regrouped this. And now because I think I might have other letters like this, I can store it over here. I'll have my short one and I'll have my long one. Real quickly friends, let's bring back our show all. Another adjustment I made was that these parts weren't always touching when I made this part. Let me show you what I mean. If I do Control D and I bring this guy in, you see how he's just the tiniest bit under? Well, I switched to that 0.1 grid. I held down Shift and I just stretched it up that tiny bit till it touched. I wasn't making a large adjustment, but it's just nice that it had contact all the way across. I'm still keeping my default size, but I can tweak it if I need. Alrighty friends, so these are just simple tips, but I think this is going to be a total blast and a hit in my classroom. Don't forget friends, if you have questions, you can always hit the share, generate a link, copy a link, and you can ship it to me. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, and Gmail. I am HLModTech. You can also track me down on Twitter. I am HLTinkercad. And also don't forget, if you do visit HLModTech.com, down in the bottom right hand corner there is a messaging tool. You can reach out to me almost instantly. And lastly friends, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like. If you got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.